We have a handle for the side of the bed for everyone. You'll decide if this product is something you are looking for. Everything is laid out on the table, unpacked. You have a mesh that has your instruction guide, very simple and easy to go over. It has the LED light that you got to install onto this handle, and you have some clips that are self-adhesive. On the side of the unit, we have clips with pins. I'm going to show you close up how easy they are to take off. You need two hands, one to push the pin forward and the other to grab it and pull off. It'll spring out. I'll show you nice and close again. With the thumb, push in. With your index and thumb over, pull out. To put in, simply push back in with your thumb behind and make sure you line both holes. As you can see how easy it snaps into place. Let's assemble. Place in, remove your pin, pull up. Make sure you push to the side. Place into the position you like. Snap on. Grab the next bar. Repeat. You can adjust for the height you want. As you can see, it's sliding in. We're going to place in the other end, the rubber. You're going to slide on both ends. Push the pins out. Slide down. Lock in. This is a micro cable. It plugs into the side of the PIR motion sensor. You have the self-adhesive sticker that you're going to stick on the back. And you're going to place this onto the top bar. You're going to charge the unit by plugging in. And it will charge up for a number of hours and will sense you in low light. When you put the bag on or want to take it off, remove the Velcros on the side. Switch it around and reposition. As easy as 1, 2, 3. When the light is fully charged, pull off the charger. Open up the circle, slide on, and done. As the light detects motion, it's lit up in a nice warm Kelvin. With the help of a friend, you lift your bed, place underneath, and adjust to the height you want to lower or raise to the maximum. The handle is strong enough up to 500 pounds that you can get out of bed and lift up. The light will sense and show the way to the area you need to go that you can simply lift off and take with you. When you're finished with the light, it goes back on as easy as 1, 2, 3. So if you're looking for a bedside assistance so you can raise and lower getting in and out of bed and lower the product down to a certain height, you need to take this anywhere else and pull it out, as simple as just sliding out. This may be right for you. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something that you are looking for, for all ages. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.